Welcome back to our series 15-minute meals. For the first video, I did a batch cooking video. Now this is the same day, but I always make sure when I do batch cooking that I have something for dinner tonight. So tonight we're making unstuffed bell peppers. I love bell peppers, but they take a long time. So I have already browned my ground beef and onions. This one goes in the refrigerator. And here's what we're using for tonight. I did take a little time and chop my veggies. And I put everything in order of the way it goes in the pan. I've got 1 tablespoon of salt and a half a tablespoon of pepper. 8 ounces of tomato sauce. A can of diced tomatoes. Some parsley. Probably a little less than 1/4 cup. I've got 2 cups of rice already cooked, which I did in my meal prepping video. I've got some mozzarella cheese. I didn't measure it out. I'm just going to eye it because I like it really gooey. My pan is sizzling, so I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil and I'm going to cook my bell peppers. I'm going to go ahead and add my salt and pepper to my ground beef. Now I'm going to add my tomato sauce. I'm going to add my can of tomatoes, my rice, and my parsley. I'm just doing this to save some time because all of this is already cooked. Once my bell peppers are cooked, all I have to do is just dump it in and stir it up and cook it a little more and add my cheese. So then I'll be done. I'm going to cover my pan so that it'll steam a little bit. That'll make it cook quicker. I'm going to go ahead and add my other ingredients. I'm going to cover it again to steam it some more, and once it's hot I'll add my mozzarella cheese. So now I'm coming down here. So now I'm going to taste it and see if it's warm enough. It's definitely warm enough, so I'm going to add my mozzarella cheese. And it wasn't salty enough, but the mozzarella cheese will add a little saltiness. I'm just going to use the whole rest of the pack. And there you have it, 15-minute unstuffed bell peppers. So the key to 15-minute meals is to meal prep. It's to batch cook. I had the ground beef and the rice already done. I had everything lined up and ready to go. I had my pan out and my utensils out. Everything was ready, and there was nothing left to do but to add it all together. This is Jackie from Otherwise. And remember, dinner's at 6.